Hello everyone, I think you are doing well. Okay, so today in session 5, this is class 10 advanced geography. We'll see the last two topics as left. Already we have discussed several topics like different continents, different oceans, different physiographic divisions, different seas, different rivers, etc. etc. So today we'll discuss regarding regional geography, the last topic. What was the last topic? I think you have seen this map. What is this map? This is the North America. Okay, we'll study today North America. How many continents is there? There are 7 continents. Number 1 is Asia. Number 2, North America, South America, Australia, Oceania, and the Antarctica. So today we will discuss regarding North America. Okay. So first we will see North America is a triangular shape. Okay, triangular means that is reverse triangle. So we'll first study what is the extension. Extension means in the north and south. Generally we know that this is the picture of the earth, that is the sketch of the earth. This is the equator, and generally in this portion North America is there. Okay, North America is there, this portion. North America is simply like this. Okay. We know that in this North America, this portion is and this mountain. What mountain? And this mountain. That means what? North America is extending from Tropic of Cancer. This is what? Cancer. Tropic of Cancer to Tropic of Capricorn. Sorry, up to the subpolar region. This is subpolar region. We have studied what is that subpolar region in class 10. Okay, not exactly from the Tropic of Cancer. Generally from one that is near to the Tropic of Cancer. Okay, we will see what is the extension of North America. So North America, that is from 12 degree north to 81 degree south. Okay. 55 degree south. This is north to south. Again from east to west, 35 degree west to 81 degree west. This is the extension. We have to remember 12 degree north to 55 degree south, 35 degree west to 81 degree west. So after extension, what comes? Generally, what is the surface area? What is the surface area? 18 million square kilometer, or you can write like this: 18 million kilometer square. That is total 12.2% of the world. World means the whole world. If we will divide it, the land portion among the South America, then we will get 12.2% of the land from the South America. Then along with this we will see population. What is the total population? Total population is 381 million. That is 5.75%. That is also according to 2007 estimate. Generally we census every 10 years. That means suppose we have done census in 2011. Again we will do in 2021. Again we will do in 2031. But now it is 21 it is supposed to come. But in every year we can estimate the population. So according to 2007, that is population is 381 million, South America. Okay. Now after that, when we are discussing population, then along with this we have to discuss the density. What is the meaning of density? Density means the per person. That means population in square kilometer. Okay, per square kilometer. That means within 1 square kilometer how much population is there. That is called a population density. Okay, so we'll see per person within 1 square kilometer how much population is there. So density generally 21 person per square kilometer, or we can write like this: kilometer square. Okay. Then along with this, in urban areas generally 80% of the population lives in the urban area, and along with this per capita income, again we will discuss $8790. Okay, this $8790 is the per capita income. Actually this is just simply data, and this data we have to remember, because when the question comes write a brief or give a brief description about the South America. Then we have to write first these things. Extension will come this 12 degree north to 55 degree south, then 35 degree west to 81 degree west. Generally this is something difficult to remember, but then also we have to remember. So surface area 18 million kilometer square, population 381 million square kilometer, million, that is 5.75% according to 2007 estimate. Then density 21 person per square kilometer. What density? What is density? Within 1 kilometer, how much population is there? Then urban population 80%. We know what is the urban population, rural population, urban population. What is the difference? Rural area, generally populations are depends upon the primary activities. What are the primary activities? Agriculture, hunting, gathering, poaching, any other simple activities. These are called the primary activities. That means directly related with the nature. And generally, what is the urban area? Urban area populations not involved in the primary activity. Generally, they are involved with the non-primary activity. What are the non-primary activities? From secondary, tertiary, quaternary, quinary, all are non-primary activities. So, in simple terms, the persons involved with the secondary activities, they are called the urban areas or tertiary or quaternary. So, urban area population, what is that? 80% is per capita income. PCI means per capita income total 8790 US dollar. Okay. Now we see this is the map of South America. This is the map of South America. Just let this map to these things. I think this is visible to you. If not visible, but this is a physical map. Okay, not political map. I think political map is here or not. Okay, from the physical map, we learn what are the different countries. Generally, 14 countries are there in South America. We will see what are those 14 countries. I will write the name here first. Okay, we know that Brazil is the largest country. Okay, we'll start from Brazil. Brazil to Argentina. Brasilia is the capital. Okay. Argentina, Buenos Aires. Again, Uruguay, Montevideo. Again, Paraguay. 5. Chile. Then again Chile, that is Santiago. 6. Paraguay. 6. What is here? Suriname. Again Guyana. Then what left? Venezuela, then Peru, then Bolivia, then Ecuador, okay, then Colombia, then what left? Trinidad and Tobago. Okay. Again, Panama is there to that. Again, another is there. French Guiana. Yes, that left French Guiana. Okay. Colombia, Bogota, Trinidad and Tobago, Trinidad Islands, this Suriname, I think Caracas, Guinea, then what is the capital? Guinea, Georgetown. Yes, okay, capital something it is difficult to remember all the capitals, but time by time it will be remembered. You try to remember. Then Peru, Lima, okay, then Bolivia, La Paz. This is the capital. Ecuador, what is the capital of the Ecuador? Okay, let's see. Ecuador, Quito. Okay, Ecuador, Quito. Sometimes I also forget. Okay, sometimes I also forget. So Sorry for it, I apologize. So these are Brazil, Argentina, Uruguay, Paraguay, Chile. Brazil capital is Brasilia, Argentina capital is Buenos Aires, Uruguay capital is Montevideo, Paraguay capital is this Paraguay. Where this is Paraguay? Okay. Sorry, Paraguay capital is not Paraguay, that is Asuncion. Asuncion. Okay, Asuncion. Chile, Santiago, Suriname. Here, capital was there, Suriname. Suriname, Paramaribo. Paramaribo is the capital. Okay. Guyana, Georgetown, I have told. Venezuela. Venezuela is here. Venezuela, Caracas. Venezuela capital is Caracas. Okay. Peru, Lima. Bolivia, La Paz. Ecuador, Quito. Again, Colombia. Colombia capital is Bogota. What is the capital? Colombia capital is Bogota. Okay. So with all this capital, again Colombia, Trinidad, France, Guyana, La Paz, Quito. Again here another island is there, that is called a Falkland Island. What island? Falkland. Falkland Island. But Falkland Island is actually not the part of South America. Falkland Island is actually politically that is the part of UK. You can see here Falkland Island near that is it is written UK. UK means United Kingdom. That means the government politically the Falklands belongs to the England government, that is United Kingdom government, but generally physically that is a part of North South America. Okay. Then we will see different physiographic divisions here. Already we have studied the population structure, density, all these things. We will see the physiographic divisions. Okay. So this is what this is the country, that is Venezuela. That is Venezuela. This is Guyana. Here Orinoco River is there. Orinoco Basin. This is Guyana, this is Suriname, this is near the Suriname, France, Guyana is there. But this is the Brazil. Okay, this whole the green part. Not all the green part, only this part. This part actually it is Brazil. Brazil is the largest country and where the Amazon basin flows. Okay. So Brazil here Rio de Janeiro is there. Rio de Janeiro, Brasilia, Sao Paulo. Sao Paulo is the most important city. Sao Paulo is the highest, densest city, densely populated city in South America. That is Sao Paulo. Then Montevideo is there. Then Florianopolis. These are the actually metropolis. That means the highly urban area. So next, after Brazil, this is Chile. This is Peru. This is Peru. Peru capital is Lima here. And Peru here, this elongated shape, whatever you have seen the dark brown color, that is actually Chile. So all the Chile, here Chile, Santiago capital is also there. Chile is over the Andes mountain, because we know that this from north to south and this mountain range is there, which is called the longest mountain in the world, the largest mountain system in the world. Okay, that is Chile. Along with Chile here, another country is there, Argentina. So Argentina, that is Buenos Aires, this is the capital, Argentina. Again, this is one plateau. Actually, up to here Argentina is there, and this lowermost portion is actually broken. Okay, because there are so many islands are there, simple islands. And here, this is South Pacific Ocean. This is South Pacific, this is North Pacific. South Pacific Ocean is near to this part. Again, this is South Atlantic Ocean. This is North Atlantic Ocean. That means this South America is surrounded by North Pacific Ocean, South Pacific Ocean, North Atlantic Ocean, and the South Atlantic Ocean. Okay, and this one is Falkland Island, which is the part of the I have already discussed, which is the part of the United Kingdom. Generally, politically United Kingdom, but physically South America. But this portion actually, this is the Magellan Strait of Magellan. Have you remembered the Magellan? Earlier actually it was used as a trade route from United Kingdom to the link of the other countries, that is Magellan Strait. But from the time when this Panama Canal, this is Panama Canal name after Panama, this is the country Panama capital is also Panama, and this is the Panama Canal. After the Panama Canal has been constructed, after that what happened, this route now it is no use. Okay, so we have reduced the use of this. Reduce means already we have lost the use of this route, because this is very long way. It takes 2 to 3 months, 4 months like that, time consuming. So that's why, because of this Panama Canal, now we have shortened the route of this trade and commerce. Okay, so along with this what happened, if we will see the physical part, that means plateau, plains. Okay, that is and this mountain is there, Atacama Desert is there. This is Atacama Desert. Okay, again we know that Aconcagua. What is the highest point? Highest point of, okay, let this rub this. So highest point of North America. Oh, sorry, South America. So we are discussing South America. So highest point is Mount Aconcagua. Mount Aconcagua. This is 7020 meter height. That means shorter than the Everest, and that is the highest point of South America, Mount Aconcagua. Here this Mount Aconcagua is there. Okay, Mount Aconcagua. That is in the actually in the Andes mountain range. And near to this Andes mountain range, what is there? Atacama Desert is there. We know here Atacama Desert is there. Again, another Patagonia Plateau is there. This is called the Patagonia Plateau. Actually, here two plateaus is there. Patagonia Plateau. Here one highland is there. That is called a Brazilian highland. But highland means actually highland is a type of plateau, because what is plateau? Flat top mountain is called a plateau. We know it. Here Patagonia Plateau. Here Brazilian Plateau. Again, another lake is there. Lake Titicaca. We can see here where is Lake Titicaca. Okay, so in this portion actually Lake Titicaca is there. That is called the highest lake in the world. What is that? Highest lake in the world. Lake Titicaca. Okay, Titicaca is the highest lake in the world. Okay, not only in South America, it is in the world. Then again, we will see the major river basins. Okay. So here major river basin, this is Amazon river basin. We know, you can see this light blue portion here. This is the major Amazon river basin, which is called the largest river basin in the world. Okay. So Amazon river basin, again we have to see the tributaries also, these tributaries also. What is tributary? The branch of the river falls in the main river. These are called a tributary. So along with this, again another river basin is here. That is called the Orinoco River basin. Actually Orinoco River basin is flows in what? Where? Venezuela. So what is the forest name of the Orinoco River basin? Orinoco River basin forest is called Llanos, because already we have discussed the forest of the Venezuela is called the Llanos. Again here Amazon forest is called what? Amazon River basin forest is called Selva. Another forest we can find in the Amazon basin, that is called the Selva. Again another forest is there, Brazil forest, Campos. Where we can find the Campos? In this portion we can find Campos. Okay, this portion is Campos. Again Argentina, we are discussing this Argentina. What is the vegetation? That is Pampas. Okay, Pampas, this portion actually grassland is called the Pampas. Okay, so along with this, another river also we have to discuss. This is Paraná river. Okay, this is river Paraguay, Uruguay. This is river Paraguay. Actually Paraguay Uruguay is not the brothers like that. This Paraguay Uruguay is not like this South Vietnam and the North Vietnam. It actually not divided Paraguay Uruguay like this. But in the middle, what is there? Argentina is there. Paraguay, Uruguay is not that's connected. Argentina is there in the middle. It is divided into two countries. But actually Uruguay named after the Uruguay river, and Paraguay named after the Paraguay river. There is no link between two countries. Okay, link between export, import and economically so many linkages are there, but in physically no linkage is there. Okay, this is Montevideo, this is Florianopolis, this is Rio de Janeiro. Last time Olympic was there. Again another up to here. Again we have to discuss what is the last point of the South America. What is the last point? Cape of Horn. This last point is called the Cape of Horn. Okay, Cape of Horn actually earlier Britishers or other that Dutch merchant, Portuguese merchant, they were Spanish merchant. They use this Cape of Horn actually as the trade route. But nowadays, due to cancel of the Magellan State, due to when this Panama Canal has been constructed, after that this has no any use. Okay, this is called Cape of Horn. And along with this, what is the last point of Africa? Africa last point is Cape of Good Hope. Don't confuse this. Cape of Good Hope belongs to Africa. Cape of Horn belongs to what? South America. Okay. So along with this, another island is there. Trinidad and Tobago, port of Spain. Actually, Trinidad and Tobago, that is island. Another island is there. Again, another island we have to see. Sorry, this is Haraskan. This is Berivia, Melanesia. Okay, Pala. Again, another island is there here. Again, up to here, Chiloy Island. Again, Chanos. Again, archipelago. Again, Reine Adelaide archipelago. What is the meaning of archipelago? Do you know the meaning of archipelago? Okay, let's discuss what is the meaning of archipelago. Archipelago means actually group of island. Group of island is called the archipelago. Okay. Again, this is the Peru coast. Do you know Peru coast? I think you have heard about the El Nino. What is that El Nino? El Nino is the warm current, sea warm current, ocean warm current, warm current of ocean. Okay, warm current of water, ocean water. So this El Nino actually blows from the coast of the Peru. Okay, this is the coast of Peru during December, this February, January, February. So this month actually what happens during the time of Christmas. Actually, we know that Christmas we celebrate in the northern hemisphere in the winter, and again in southern hemisphere we celebrate Christmas in the summer. So during the time of Christmas, from here warm current blows from this Peru coast to the Australian coast. In this side Australia will be there if we see the whole world map, because this is the Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean is in between South America and Australia. So from this Peru coast, one El Nino used to blow. But El Nino El Nino doesn't blow every year, but sometimes after 2 years, after 3 years, after 5 years, so El Nino blows. That is one part. Okay. So I think nothing is to discuss about this South America, but economic side, social side, any another export import we will discuss later on. But in your syllabus only this much is here, so we have to know. But you see the properly what are the different countries are there. Generally 14 countries are there from this point to this point, north to south, south to north. Okay. So don't confuse it. Again, just simple point we have to see what is the length of north to south. Again is to west. What is the length? We will see. Okay. From north to south, 7,500 kilometers. That is from north to south. Again, east to west, 5,100 kilometers. This figure only we have to remember. Okay, after this, another continent is there. Let's discuss that continent. That is Oceania. That is the last continent, Oceania, right? Okay. But Oceania is again divided into 3 parts. Number 1 is Micronesia, Melanesia and Polynesia. Okay. So Micronesia, Melanesia, Polynesia generally consists of 14 countries. Not 14 directly countries, 14 island countries. Okay. Okay, let's remove this map. So you will get map of Oceania along with the map of Australia, because we know that Australia is the largest country of Oceania, right? I think it is visible to you clearly. Okay. So first we will see this is Australia. Along with this, New Zealand is there. Again, another different islands are there, right? This is different islands are there. Papua New Guinea, Port Moresby Bay, Coral Island, Vanuatu, Port Vila, Solomon Island, Marshall Island. Okay. Then again society, so many islands are there. Fiji Islands. So up to New Zealand, Australia, New Zealand, two capitals there, Hamilton and Wellington. Okay. So first we will see what is the extension. After that, what are the different seas and oceans surrounding the Australia, surrounding the Oceania, and what are the different Micronesia, Melanesia, Polynesia. Okay, let's start with the extension here. What is the extension? From 0 degree to 48 degree south. Okay, again from 113 east to 180 degree east. Then we will see the surface area here. What is the total surface area? 7.7 million kilometer square. But don't forget to write the square. This is. And again, total coastal length, because we know that total Australia is the island, right? Australia is the largest island, largest sea island in the world. So it has surrounding, it has a very large coast. So total coastal area is 10,000 kilometer. Okay, approximately. And again, along with this, we will see total population. What is the total population of Australia? Total population of Australia is, here total population of Oceania. We are not discussing only of Australia. Total population of Oceania is 35 million. And Australia, along with this, we will discuss Australia also. Total population of Australia is 21 million. That is the 60% of the total population of the Oceania. 60% of the total population of the Oceania lives in Australia. That is 21 million. Okay. Again, with this, we will see the population density also. What is the density? Is the density visible? Okay. Population density. We will see here. Australia has 3 person per square kilometer. Australia has 3 person per square kilometer. Again, another island is there, Papua New Guinea. Papua New Guinea actually. That is 14 person per square kilometer. You just remember this figure: 3 person, 14 person. Again, Fiji Island, where we can find the largest earthquake. Again, there is also volcanic islands. And generally, in the we have discussed this sometimes back the regarding South America. Generally, the Atacama Desert near to the Santiago. Generally, all the places are generally volcanic due to actually volcanic eruptions they have emerged. Okay, if you remember, Fiji Island, 47% per kilometer square. You see, Australia is the largest country. Okay, Papua New Guinea is the smallest, but Fiji is a small island. But why population is 47? Why number is 47? Because we are talking about density, not we are talking about the total population. Because within a small island, within a small plot of area, because there is scarcity of land, right? Island is very small. That's why so many peoples have to concentrate within the smaller area. That's why their number is 47. Another Nauru. Nauru is another island is there. There are 66 person per kilometer square. And along with this, we have to discuss PCI also, per capita income, 23,320 US dollar. Okay, so this is the data. Extension 0 to 14 degrees south, 130 degrees to 180 degrees, surface area 7.7 million kilometers square, coastal length 10,000 kilometers square, Australia 3% per square kilometer, Papua New Guinea 14% per square kilometer, Fiji 47% per square kilometer, Nauru 66% per square kilometer, and along with this PCI 23,320 per square kilometer. Now let's see. This is also, here we will get all the political and physical also. Generally this is political map. We will see what are the different countries are here. Generally this is Australia. We will see what are the different states between the Australia, different countries. Again, these are Papua New Guinea. This is the second largest. Port Moresby is the capital of Papua New Guinea. Again, Nauru is there. Vanuatu, Port Vila, Solomon Island, Marshall Island, Nyara, here New Zealand. Okay, but we have discussed already about Melanesia, Polynesia. So this is actually Melanesia. Okay, generally this part is called Melanesia, and Micronesia another is there. Micronesia. Micronesia is small. Okay, here with a group of islands, some simple group of island is there, that is called the Micronesia, and with this whole world, this is called Polynesia. Polynesia means generally including Tasman Sea is there, South Pacific Ocean. Actually in Polynesian part, a large part of the water body is there. Okay, don't think that Polynesia means large, again another island should be there. No, Polynesia means large, again actually some group of actually island is there. Sorry, islands are there again with along with the water bodies there. Okay, New Zealand. Okay, under countries are island countries are also important, but generally we have to discuss Australia and New Zealand, because question generally comes from Australia and New Zealand, not from Dili Island, Kiribati Islands, not from the Fiji Islands. Okay. So let's see what are the different. This Australia, we will first discuss about Australia. Australia, what is the capital of Australia? Australia capital is Canberra. Where is Canberra? Here is Canberra. Okay, this is Canberra, Australia's capital. All is Australia. Actually, this part of Australia is generally a desert, full of desert. People movement is very low. Economic development is very low. GDP is very low. Only this part of Australia is highly developed, economically developed, and this part of area generally density is high. From Perth to Melbourne to Mount Gun, Nipper to Canberra to Sydney. This part is actually generally densely populated. Okay, and here another country is there, city is there, Darwin. We have discussed about Darwin in the previous chapter. Okay, so again Tasmania. Tasmania is another that island group of the Australia. It is belongs to Australia. Okay, we'll see this is Western Australia. This is Northern Territory, this is Southern Australia, this is Queensland. This is called the Queensland. This is New South Wales, this is Victoria. Okay, and Melbourne is there. We'll see the important countries. Melbourne, this is Tasmania Harbour. Harbour is the capital of Tasmania.